Yeah. My situation living in this life is never complicated. Thank God he helped me made it. The past is now faded. I forever remain changed. Dipping on these lonely corners. No friends, they backstabbers. Bunch of grabbers laughing at me like, yeah, I'm a real sucker. Ducking me when I need. Only know you when they want, so I kept to myself. All the pain and the anguish, till I find peace. God release from holding me back. Symbolize, get the monkey off my back. Every day is a process. I'm learning more as I turn the other cheek. Believe me, it's easy, not on my own strength. The flesh is always fighting with the spirit. I'm hoping you hear it. Battlefield of the mind, so you gotta know how to care. Prepare yourself for war. Every day when you leave, you might not make it back if you don't believe. For those who atheists, Jehovah Witnesses, another religion, I don't condemn you. We all God's children. I hope to see you on the other side, the winning side. Look me in the eye and tell me you don't wanna give it a try. So was I before I die and reborn. The true passion of Christ, fighting for everlasting life for you and I to have a better future. My dream is to be my brother's keeper. When you cry, I cry too. What else am I supposed to do but counsel you? When you down, I'm lifting you up. You gotta keep your head up. Sometimes we all fed up, but I ain't sharp as iron.